So here we have Interscholastic Unified Bocce. On a bocce team, there are 8 players, and half of the students are special education students and half are general education students. And the object is that you play together, practice together, compete together as equal peers. We currently work with 188 schools in 32 counties, plus the cities of Philadelphia and Pittsburgh.
So a lot of times for our people with disabilities, this is the first time they've been on a sports team. So that's why this championship is so important. They really get a taste of what it's like to be on a true team, get that team sportsmanship experience that we all get in high school. That's so important.
A lot of people, a lot of volunteers, everyone working together and being pretty fluid on the same page to make this work.
From the beginning of the season to now, we've really connected a lot more as a team. When we first got together, some of us have played together and some of us haven't. It'll just all click, and we've been really doing well this season.
In the end, the day culminated with the North Penn Columbia team and the North Penn Navy team facing against each other to qualify for states. However, it was the Navy team that ended up coming out on top and received not only medals, but also a one-way ticket to Hershey, where they will hopefully win themselves another state title to cap off their season. Reporting for North Penn News, I'm Justin O'Neill.